how to make a group chat on Discord. Hi guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to make a group chat on Discord. If you want to go ahead and make a group chat, you need to go ahead and log into your Discord account first of all. Now I'm using a web browser. You could use any of these applications. Either way, the procedure is going to remain the same. Now while you're on this page, you could see this is how it's going to look like. So here, what you need to do is go to the Friends tab, which is gonna be located right over here. So as you can see, this is the one. So you could go ahead and click the add button at the bottom of the page. Now you could start adding people or click create a group TM and select the member you want to invite by clicking on their username. Click the name of the group and choose a name for your group. Then you could start sending messages in your text box at the bottom of the screen. So this way you could go ahead and create a group chat on Discord. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.